Hello everyone, myself Ankush Gupta and I am your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to study a particular concept in the chapter Permutation and Combination. And the name of the concept is selection of any number of objects. So I am giving you a particular example for understanding. Let's suppose on the occasion of some fest or like Diwali, you have gone to your relative's place. Now, according to tradition, they are going to serve you some sweets, right? Now, think about it. We will do permutation and combination with the number of sweets itself, right? So, assume that in a plate, they have given you 4 sweets, 1 rasgulla, 1 gulab jamun, 1 rasmalai and 1 rajbhog. So, in how many ways you can eat those? If you don't feel like eating, you are on diet, you won't eat any of them. If you like sweets very much, you can eat all 4 of them. So what are you doing? You are selecting from 4 different type of sweets. You can select 0 sweet, you can select 1 sweet, you can select 2 sweets, you can select 3 sweets, you can select all 4 of them. So in how many ways you can do it? So you can select 0 sweets with 4C0 ways. You can select 1 sweet with 4C1 way. You can select 2 sweets with 4C2 ways. You can select 3 sweets with 4C3 and you can select all 4 of them with 4C4 ways. So how many total number of ways you will have? You will have 4C0 plus 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4 ways, right? Now look this particular problem from a different perspective. Now assume yourself as rasgulla. You are a rasgulla. So if you are a rasgulla, then how many options do you have? How many options rasgulla will have? It will have 2 options. Either it can remain on the plate or it can go to your stomach, right? Rasgulla will have 2 options. Rasmalai will also have 2 options. Gulab jamun will also have 2 options and rajbhog will also have 2 options. So how many total options? That will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. But in both the scenarios, you are doing the same thing. What are you doing? You are just eating sweets, right? So in both the scenarios, you are doing the same things. So the number of ways should be identical. So from here, we can conclude that 4C0 plus 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4, that will be equal to how much? 2 raised to power 4. Now assume if you had n sweets, I can conclude that NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCn, that will be equal to 2 raised to power n, right? So here the statement is you can select any number of things from the set of n different things in NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCn ways, which will be equal to 2 raised to power n ways, right? Now look at another problem in the same scenario. You have gone to a relative's place. They are again serving you some sweets, but this time in a plate they have served you 5 rasgullas, 4 gulab jamuns, 3 rasmalais and 2 rajbhogs. And here all rasgullas are identical, exactly same. You cannot differentiate between the rasgullas. So in how many ways you can eat rasgulla? Think about rasgulla only right now. Think about rasgulla only, right? So in how many ways you can eat rasgulla? You can eat 0 rasgulla, 1 way. You can eat 1 rasgulla. But if you are eating 1 rasgulla, then nobody can ask you that which rasgulla have you eaten, because rasgullas are identical. They are exactly same. So you can pick any of them, it will be one and the same thing, right? So you can eat 1 rasgulla in only 1 way. You can eat 2 rasgullas in only 1 way. Because rasgullas are identical, you can eat any 2 of them. You can eat 3 rasgullas in only 1 way. You can eat 4 in only 1 way. So how many total options you are having for eating rasgullas? that will be 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In how many ways you can eat gulab jamun? 5 ways. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In how many ways you can eat rasmalai? 4 ways. 0, 1, 2, 3. In how many ways you can eat rajbhog? 3 ways. 0, 1, 2. So how many total options do you have? You will have 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Right? So from here we can conclude that if we have P plus Q plus R set of things from which P are alike, Q are other alike, and R are still other alike. So we can select any number of things from them in P plus 1 into Q plus 1 into R plus 1 ways. Right? So I hope it is clear to all of you. We will meet in another topic, in another class with some interesting topics. Till that time, thank you very much.